Good morning, guys. I haven't really been doing much this morning. Just working a bit with the angle grinder here and trying to mimic this hole. Trying to see if I can get this connector to fit in. It doesn't fit in here yet. And I've also been drilling some holes here to be able to mount this on the inside. It's gonna be mounted in there. But yeah. I'm gonna go do some shopping now. I have a couple friends come over later. We're gonna be having dinner. I'm gonna cook them some medista. The stuff I've been eating for a few days now. I'm gonna be eating some medista, and I'm gonna buy some more potatoes, some more milk, and some soda. I don't know what they want to drink, but I want to be accommodating. Also butter for the gravy. Yeah. It's quite a beautiful day. I'm bringing the bottles from, well, I guess it's morning. Let's see how much we got. I got 29.5 krona. And this is what I bought. Cheap milk, cheap butter, cheap potatoes, cheap soda. I'm running low on money though. Gotta get some more tonight. Manually having to cut this out with a Dremel tool, guys, I'm telling you, it's brutal. I thought the drill with my cap would work, but no dice, and I have no clue where the charger is. So yeah, just charging back up the Dremel tool for like the third time. Guys, we are moving along. I Dremeled off in the corner of one of these fans here to be able to fit it in here. Let me show you. There we go. I may have to drill an extra hole because still there's a little thing in the way here. This little MPPT switch is a bit in the way. But at least one screw is going to be able to come through this. Let's see if it makes any vibrational noise. And also, most importantly, today I have mounted this thing here on the inside. I got some standoffs there as to not short it out on the metal frame. And fits perfectly. Check that out. Very nice. Then I just need to fit the fan in there. I also check the screen also fits in here at the same time. And the input XT90 connector also fits in here. So basically that is the first box done. And now the second box is gonna be a lot simpler. There's still some components on the way in mail. The fuse holders that I'm going to have to modify to get them to fit in there. But yeah, we're moving along, guys. Also, this thing is gonna be mounted in the same way. This MPPT buck converter is going to be mounted in the same way. Not have the screws here on this side, but on the other side. I just needed to be able to remove it, whereas this one, it can just be permanently mounted here. It's all good. I don't need to remove this one. But yeah, I have a friend, well, what do you call it? A friend couple? Like they're a couple. They're both my friends. They're coming over. So I think I'm just gonna start tidying up the place and doing the dishes and getting ready to cook. I'm gonna make those Hasselback potatoes for him, medisterpølse, as well as brown gravy. I bought everything that I need for that. It's gonna be delicious. You know, I never even think about how much money I got. I just like having people over. Food tastes better when you share it. And, you know, I'll always be fine. I'll always figure out something when it comes to money and food. I'm not gonna be starving. I did that in my youth when I had no fucking clue what I was doing. That's actually when I started losing weight. I used to be overweight, quite a bit overweight. Not morbidly obese. I mean, by American standards, I had a normal build. But yeah, I was overweight as it pertains to BMI. But then, first time I was homeless, I had no clue what I was doing, and I just lost a lot of weight. And I don't know if my metabolism changed or my appetite or something, but yeah, I've just been skinny ever since, really. I just woke up. I had some friends over. We ate this. I'm just heating up some more in the oven. I'm a little hungry. Fell asleep after they were here. Now it's 5 a.m. Gonna eat some, I don't even know what to call it, breakfast, I guess. Just cellophane wrapped the rest of it and putting it into the fridge. I'm going out on another 5:30 a.m. bottle run. Let's get this money. Guys, I'm back. Very uneventful. All of these, except for the Coke can, I got from a single guy in a van who just emptied his van. So I guess I was lucky in that sense, but the gas station, the Circle K, they had some dude switching out the garbage bins when I was there, and apparently they also collect the bottles and cans out of the trash. They make the employees do that. Like, what? But yeah, basically I have to make sure that I leave by 5 a.m. next time if I do another late night run. Because otherwise, yeah, they're gonna get the cans and bottles themselves. But I guess my friend also had this while he was here for dinner. So there's a little bit extra. And I also bought some soda, which is also empty now. So I guess even more. But I think I'll actually use the soda bottle to make some, what do you call it? Juice concentrate mixed with water. Mike, he got us this when he was still alive, some juice concentrate. So I think I'm just gonna mix some of that up. Yeah, I'm back now. I think I'm gonna hang out with Stony if he's still awake.